Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing both devices so they can talk. Sign into the Amazon Photos app on your phone with the same Amazon account used on the Echo Show. Once done, keep both devices on the same Wi-Fi. Make sure the app has permission to access photos and to run in background so uploads happen automatically. This prevents syncing delays and ensures the Echo Show can pull images. Now open the Amazon Photos app and confirm your library is visible and backed up. Once your photos are backed up, switch to the Alexa app to link content. Go to Devices, pick your Echo Show, then choose Photo Display or Home Content. Select Amazon Photos as the source, then pick albums, people, or featured photos you want on the screen. This controls what appears on the home screen and when. Make sure to set rotation timing and allow full screen slideshows so images display smoothly. Doing this binds the cloud library to the device for continuous updates. You're almost done. Finish by testing the setup. Say, "Alexa, show my photos," or tap the home screen. Your selected album should appear. If images don't show, first reboot the Echo Show and confirm the same Amazon account is active on both devices, then check Wi-Fi connectivity. If problems persist, update the Alexa and Amazon Photos apps, clear app cache, or unlink and relink Amazon Photos in the Alexa app. That usually resolves permission or sync glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.